Hey, what's up, Wazirx holder? So, what's the next? In upcoming days, Wazirx going up or fails down? Absolutely very urgent and shocked video for every Wazirx holder because Wazirx completely fails down, and everybody asked me, every holder asked me to please tell us to we sell, hold, or buy. So also, my friend, I tell you in this video to buy, hold, or sell. Very special video for Wazirx holder, very urgent for Wazirx holder. My friends, they are completely fails down in the previous days. So therefore, a lot of holders told me to please make a special video for this, for detailed video, my friends. So kindly don't skip video, this 2-minute video. If you watch it, absolutely you or be safe from any loss, my friend. This time, if you can see here, my friend, I already opened the last 7 days chart, my friend, and here, if you can see here, my friends, they are completely, my friend, got in the straight. You can see here, but after this, my friends, they when they falls down very fastly, therefore people starting asking me a question in the middle of this night, my friend, to what we do, sell, hold, or buy. Everything tell me, understand to please what I tell you, which I tell you, my friend. I have a 3-year experience. I'm a crypto master. Therefore, I told me, my friend. So kindly don't ignore my friends. What I tell you, please understand and do like this. What I tell you, my friend. My friend, if you can see here, this time they fail us down. This is the formula, my friend, in a crypto market. I see I see in the last 3 years, my friend. So after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down. You can see here, so here is also this time you can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here this is very small circulation, my friend, of a crypto market. This time, if you can see here, so there was WRX Coin after a very bad fall, my friend, starting moving up. So congratulations, WRX Coin holder, they're starting moving up in upcoming days, and they go in the mood. So this is good news for all WRX holder. Today starting moving up. Congratulations again and again, my friend. Okay, let's check out, my friend, this time the last 1 hour to what's going on in the latest. Absolutely, this is very important for every holder, my friends. They change occur and positive. Congratulations for everyone. The change occur and positive plus 3.55% going up. What a big change, my friend. Wazirx going and the moon, my friend. 2.65% USD dollar as the price, my friend. You can see here they only gone and the straight, they're gone like a rocket, my friend. So this is good news for Wazirx holder. Today starting moving up. Congratulations again, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, and the target is, my friend, 3 USD dollar. I hope they hit it easily. And my opinions to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.